In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move spam email to your inbox in the Gmail app. Whether you're using Gmail for work or personal use, at times, important emails might find their way into the spam folder mistakenly. Not to worry, because restoring them to your inbox is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through right now. To begin this process, open the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. From the main screen, you'll want to locate the menu icon. This icon resembles three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other and is typically found at the top left corner of your screen. Tapping on this will expand the menu options. Next, scroll through the menu options and tap on Spam. This will take you to the spam folder where Gmail automatically stores any email it deems as suspicious or potentially harmful. Once you're in the spam folder, browse through the list of emails to find the one you want to move back to your inbox. If you're not seeing the email right away, just take your time to scroll a bit further down to identify it. After locating the desired email, tap on it to open. Within the email, you will see a set of icons at the top of your screen that includes the Not Spam or Move to Inbox option. This option is crucial, as selecting it will immediately take the email out of spam and place it into your regular inbox. Simply tap on Move to Inbox, and Gmail will do the rest for you, ensuring that future emails from this sender are less likely to go to spam. One thing to note is that if you find legitimate emails frequently landing in your spam folder, you might want to check your Gmail filters and settings to verify that the sender isn't being blocked erroneously. Oftentimes, fine-tuning your settings can prevent future mishaps. Once you've moved your email to the inbox, it's a good idea to check your inbox to confirm that your email has appeared there. Doing this not only reassures you that the process works, but also helps you promptly read and respond to any important emails that might need your attention. By following these steps, you ensure that no important communication slips through the cracks by ending up in spam. Over time, by regularly managing your spam folder, Gmail learns your preferences better, improving its filtering accuracy and reliability. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with anyone who might benefit from knowing how to keep their inbox organized and efficient. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to make your digital life simpler and more productive.